Good afternoon, Warriors. Today is Tuesday, May 14th, 2019. Taking a look at our homework for this evening. In math, there is no homework. In science, first period needs their safety signature, paper signed by their parents, and then they also have a brain pop assignment to do. Periods 4, 6, 7th, and 8th, they also have their brain pop. Reminder, all Malabar money is due this Friday. That's $4 cash, or a $4 check made out to Ontario Middle School that can be given directly to Ms. Falk. We also have our safety quiz tomorrow that you must get an 80% on in order to participate in the dissection lab next week. In social studies, we've got our project that we are working on. That is going to be due Thursday, right before the travel fair. In language arts, we got an assignment called Malabar Farm Poem Vocabulary. This is on paper for second period, and we also have a Google form for others. In literature, we have an optional review for our book, Out of the Dust. It's in Google Classroom. That's our test over the book tomorrow. And also, just a reminder that on Friday, all of our error points are due for the quarter. That's it for this Tuesday. Make it a good one.